Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Arachnite in InVision's Verse. This guide focuses on the special Moon Knight quest, which is essential for adding this powerful hero to your roster. We'll walk through each step, from understanding the quest's hints to pinpointing the exact locations of the required items. Our goal is to help you efficiently navigate the Verse and successfully recruit Arachnite, enhancing your gameplay with his unique abilities. Let's begin your quest to unlock this formidable character. To begin your journey to unlock Arachnite, you must first initiate the dedicated Moon Knight quest within InVision's Verse. This quest typically involves locating a series of hidden tablets or specific items scattered across the game's expansive map. Keep an eye out for any quest markers or prompts that signal the start of this adventure. Each item you find will often provide a hint for the next, so careful observation and understanding of these clues are crucial for progression. The Moon Knight quest will lead you to various iconic locations within the Verse to find hidden tablets. For instance, one tablet is typically found near the bustling Times Square area. Another crucial item often resides close to the Awkward building. You'll also need to explore specific landmarks, such as a particular boombox area or on top of a fountain. Each tablet provides a new hint, acting as a compass to guide you to the next piece of the puzzle, so read them carefully. Once you have successfully located and collected all the required tablets, you will complete the challenging Moon Knight quest. Upon its completion, Arachnite will be unlocked and added to your roster of playable characters in InVision's Verse. You can then immediately begin playing as this exciting fusion of Moon Knight and Spider-Man, utilizing his unique abilities and combat style. Enjoy exploring the Verse with your newly acquired hero and dominating your adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.